Good morning, investors! Welcome to SMDC Teamed Up YouTube channel. This is Deborah A. Paule, International Associate Sales Director of SMDC. Today, investors, Teamed Up will be joining us and tour us around in one of the top projects of SMDC, which is Gold Residences. Gold Residences is part of a mixed-use development which will be called Gold City. We will be having residential offices within the area, commercial hubs like cafes and restaurants, bank and supermarket, and of course residential property which is Gold Residences.
Good morning, investors. I'm Chandray Magruos, Property Specialist of SMDC. I'm in charge in showing you the project location, landmarks, and key developments around the area. While itutur ko din kayo pagpunta sa NAIA Terminal 1 para makita nyo kung gaano kabilis papuntang airport from the site. So, on our right side is Gold Residences Building B and Building C. It's under Phase 1 of Gold Residences. Sa harap naman natin is the residential office building, which in the ground floor is the commercial spaces of Gold. Beside the project is yung SNR membership shopping. Across it is the duty free. As you can see, Gold Residences is parallel to the runway of the airport. So para sa mga unit owners ng facing the runway, perfect view po ang unit nyo. NAIA Terminal 1 now hosts both international and local flights. Actually, NAIA Terminal 1 is 300 meters away from Gold Residences, while Terminal 3 and Terminal 4 is about 2 kilometers away from the project. Nasa 10 to 20 minutes drive. As you can see, wala pang 5 minutes na sa Ninoy Aquino Terminal 1 na po tayo. Gold Residences gives our investors great accessibility from the latest infrastructures and global connectivity brought to you by the airport. The project is near major CBDs, entertainment hubs, malls, and tourist destinations. Ito, pa-U-turn na tayo, pabalik ng Gold Residences. Pero pag nag-left tayo dito, andyan yung access papuntang NAIA Skyway to Terminal 3 or sa Entertainment City, Manila. Now, let's talk about money. There are 3 major developments around Gold Residences. First is the NAIA Airport's rehabilitation, which in good news is naka-priority list siya sa latest government. Second is the Mega Manila Subway. Nasa 36 kilometers ito, and ito ay from Quirino Highway to the NAIA Airport. Third is the LRT expansion. This will connect Bulacan to Baclaran to Dasma, Cavite. Gold Residences is the only property in the area with this magnitude that gives investors like you luxury hotel-like living 5 minutes away from the airport. Now, here's Mary Rose to discuss the project design and building facade.
Hi investors, I'm Mary Rose Paule, your International Property Specialist of SMDC. I'm here to discuss the building facade and building features for Gold Residences. By the way, I'm here in front of Tower C ng Gold Residences. Currently, we have Phase 1 and Phase 2. For Phase 1, ang building facade nito is made of glass, kaya lahat ng unit dito ay walang balcony. Then for the turnover will start by next year, 2024. We have 3 towers for Phase 1. Yung Tower A, nandun sa dulo, then yung Tower B nasa gitna, and yung Tower C na nasa likod ko. We have also Phase 2 sa likod ng Phase 1. Ang turnover naman ito will be on second quarter of 2026. Meron tayong 5 towers for Phase 2, which is yung Tower D to Tower H. Pwede kayo mamili dito ng unit ng with or without balcony. Then for the building facade ng Phase 2, it has a combination of white, light gray, and dark gray. For the building and development features, we have luxurious hotel-like lobbies, high-grade finishes, bespoke furniture, 4 passenger elevators and 1 service elevator per tower, CCTV system, 24-hour security system, water catchment system to prevent flooding in the development, subterranean electric wires, At ang maganda dito, lahat ng towers ay interconnected on ground and even underground sa lahat ng residential tower and commercial development ng Gold City. Connected siya via subterranean parking which makes the entire property truly pedestrian-friendly. Now, let's go inside the Gold Residences showroom. Welcome to SMDC Gold Residences showroom. Here's Marco Olis to discuss the site development plan for Gold Residences.
Good morning, investors. My name is John Marco Olis, your SMDC International Property Specialist. Welcome to Gold Residences Showroom. I am here to give you a quick look on the master plan of Gold Residences. This is SMDC's first township offering across NAIA Terminal 1. Gold Residences will be part of Gold City, which has two phases. For phase 1, we have towers A, B, and C, which has a glass facade building feature. For phase 2 naman, we have towers D, E, F, G, and H, which has a combination of one-bedroom unit and one-bedroom unit with balcony. In every tower in Gold Residences, we have 15 physical floors. For the building orientation, from the ground floor up to the 18th level, magsa-start ang ating residential floors. Also on the ground floor level, you will find the Gold Residences Grand Lobby, which is hotel-like, and resort-inspired amenities. For the unit offerings, we have 1-bedroom to 2-bedroom units with or without balconies. Since Gold Residences is a premier project of SMDC, we will give you a world-class amenities such as multiple swimming pools, fitness center, social hall, central parks, enclave gardens, jogging paths, and social lounges. To give you a brief tour about our model units, I'll hand you over to Lyndon and Lorelie.
Good morning, investors. I am Nino Mendoza, International Property Specialist of SMDC. Today, I'm here to show you an upgraded model unit for 1-bedroom for Gold Residences Phase 1, and this is 25.5 square meters. As we enter, on my left is our kitchen. We have here under and overhead kitchen cabinet, and this is made of laminated wood. And here's the range hood for our exhaust. And we have here an electric cooktop with 2 burners. And we have here a complete fixtures of kitchen sink. And we have a white countertop here, and it comes with a backsplash. And also we have 7-kilogram front load washing machine. And on my right is our toilet and bath. As we enter, we have a vanity mirror here. This is very elegant, like hotel. You can change your faucet into gold para mag-complement pa din siya sa ating motif. As you can see, we have a cabinet here so you can put your unused clothes and stuff. And we have a glass enclosure here and a complete fixtures of shower. And this is our dining. This is perfect for starting family, barkadas, balikbayans can fit here in our dining. In living area naman, we have sofa na pwede ang 3 to 4 person. And look, instead putting the wall na plain, they change it into wall padded. And they put a lining here na gold para mag-complement pa din sa motif natin. And we have a wall mirror here and a pendant light. And they put a very classy table here. Going to our bedroom, they change it into glass partition. And you can put here a queen size bed. And look, in-extend nila yung wall padding here. And they put frames here to more look classy and elegant. On this space naman, you can use it for your working and put a vanity table. And that's it for 1-bedroom. You need to discuss yun naman, investors, the 1-bedroom with balcony. Here's my colleague, Lori.
Good morning, investors. I'm Loreline Mojica, an international marketing partner of SMDC. Today, I'm going to show you our model unit. It's an upgraded model for a 27.9 1-bedroom with balcony. So upon entering, we have here the kitchen area. You can see that we have retained this black countertop. This model unit is a black and gold theme. This is a golden glass backsplash. Also for the countertop, since the unit is a black and gold theme, they also upgraded the holders for the overhead and the under cabinets. So for the kitchen area, this is already included. This is our electric cooktop, also the range hood. Also included na rin this one. This is a 7-kilogram automatic washing machine. It's a front-load washing machine. So for this area, makikita nyo, they also put the refrigerator. You can also put your microwave on top. You can design it with a shelf or anything you want. On this side naman,
we have the toilet and bath. For the vanity counter, it's a great idea on where you can hide your toiletries, your towels, etc. Also for the shower area, included na rin yung ating rain type shower and the telephone shower. As you can see also dito sa bathroom, they have also included a gold and black piece also to go with the theme. And also yung bathroom natin, to make it more sophisticated, it's already tiled from the floor to the wall. So this is our dining area. As you can see, for the dining area, our designer put this 4-seater, very classy 4-seater dining table. As you can see, pati yung ating mga utensils and the plates, it's also gold and black to go with the theme. Also, to maximize the space in here, we have put here the 40 inches television. And then, this area naman is for the living area. We have your 3 to 4-seater sofa. Also, you can put your small side table. And then for the wall, you can accent it with a gold piece, still to go with the theme pa rin. So here naman sa bedroom, you can see the designer put this queen size bed. Also in the wall, we have a painting to accent it. We have here also the vanity dresser. So still very sophisticated and naka-theme pa rin siya ng black and gold. Of course, with her facial mirror. And then for this side, you can put your closet. So as you can see, for this closet, it's already built with a mirror. So by the window naman, our designer put this Roman shades. So we have here our balcony. In the balcony, you can see that this is facing amenities. So yung view natin dito is the pool area. Your view for the balcony will depend on which unit you have purchased. So that's it. Once again, this unit is an upgraded model. It's a 1-bedroom with balcony, 27.9 square meter.
Here's the unit deliverables.
So to summarize our discussion today, Gold Residences is located in a very prime area which is located just across NAIA Terminal 1 Airport, which is a great advantage if you want to rent out your property. If you want to go within the metro, it's very easy access also because of the public and private transportation. Gold Residences will be having a complete styled amenities as well. So we will be having multiple pools, we will be having outdoor lounges, gym, jogging path within the area, and some other open spaces for you to go around. We will be having also a very sophisticated and classy lobby. Secured property with commercial hubs is a great advantage too if you want to use your property as your personal home or bakasyonan pag nandito kayo sa Philippines. So if you want to invest in SMDC Gold Residences, my SMDC team DAP will be happy to assist you all the way. We will just flash our contact details down here, and thank you for joining us. This is Deborah A. Paule, SMDC Team DAP.